As you may know already, our Shabby Fabrics showroom is now open. The grand opening weekend was incredible. So many people, even in cold weather, rainy weather, showed up to see what was magical. The comments and things we heard really just brought us to tears because it confirmed what we already knew. We put our whole heart not only in designing the quilts, which we do every day, finding amazing vintage furniture, but putting it together in a presentation that truly inspires. For me, if I'm gonna drive a distance to go someplace and experience something, I wanna know it's worth it. We heard so many layers of confirmation that they were so glad they did not miss out on that event. But we're here now. The grand opening happened and now we're continuing forward. Our hours are the following. We will be closed on Sundays, as always, to be able to give thanks to the God that made all of this possible in the first place. So we will always be closed on Sundays. Again, we'll be closed on Mondays, so we have plenty of time to restock, and we can't wait to welcome you that coming week. So our hours will be Tuesday through Friday from 10 to 5 p.m. And then on Saturdays, our hours will be 11 to 4. So this is your chance to finally come in and see these quilts in person. I hear this so often. Oh, if I could just see your quilts in person. You can now. More than 800 projects are displayed. Pre-cuts are everywhere. There's snacks and drinks and places just to stop and enjoy the fireplace and have a conversation. This is a magical place to be, and we want to meet you. So pull out that calendar, make that trip. This is a wonderful reason to visit the beautiful Pacific Northwest and specifically visit us at Shabby Fabrics. We all know being able to see these quilts in real life, there's just nothing like that. And being able to see each other in real life, that's priceless. I cannot wait to welcome you to the new Shabby Fabrics showroom. I look forward to seeing you then.